Hello and welcome back to the Green Footwear channel and another custom boot of the week. This week's custom boot is our Razorback in the Houston green material with the steel toe cap and an EVA and TYRE sole combination. This material is the same as our crazy fudge horse leather that's found on our stock African Ranger and our barefoot African Ranger for an example. The Houston green leather has an oily characteristic, so as the journey progresses, this customer will notice darker, richer tones coming through in the patina. And also being a steel toe cap, this boot will see some good beatings on their way, bringing those oils through with each use. As many know, we are huge fans of a great patina here at Jim Green, and we have no doubt that in the near future, this boot will look epic. Having a look at the toe of this boot, which we've mentioned before, but it is a steel toe cap boot. That means that this boot is primed and ready for the challenges ahead. Along with our steel toe cap, our Razorback boot is also double leather lined, meaning this customer has around 5mm of leather surrounding the foot, and this is reinforced heavily with the addition of the steel toe. Our next spec that we have a look at is the sole choice that this customer has gone for, and we believe that this is a very well thought out choice that he's made in terms of how the boot is going to be functioning in the field. The EVA and TYRE tread will give more cushion in each step while maintaining that extreme grip of the TYRE sole and cushioning the extra weight from the addition of the steel toe cap to the boot. Now in wrapping up, this boot was designed to take a beating and look epic while doing so. The oily nubuck leather is only going to get better with time, and a great care and conditioning in the future will make this leather pop even further in the rich green olive tones. So now, without further ado, let's jump into the factory and see just how this pair is made.